What's good, y'all? Today, I'm going to be starting a new challenge and not a prop firm challenge, okay? This is a life challenge. This is a trading challenge. Um, let me give you the background of kind of, damn, goddamn. Let me give you the background of how I even thought about this challenge or like, yeah, okay. So, in honor of TJR releasing his path to probability or profitability a couple days ago, I'm going to be doing my own challenge of my path to profitability. So, that's what we're doing today. We're going to be on the charts. I'm going to do 30 days. It's January 8th. So, I mean, it's going to be a little bit into February, but 30 days of being strict and following my rules completely. I mean, the past couple days, it's just been I can't even lie to you. It's been something. Like I started off really good. Um, this whole year is honestly hasn't been too bad. January so far has been pretty good. But I started off the year with a win and then I did a loss, but it was a really good loss because it just followed everything in my trading setup. Then I won the next day. But with that win, I was trading outside of my hours. Um, it was still good confluences for the trade, but still I was trading outside of my hours and I was like, I'm never gonna do this again. It was like way too far out of my hours. That's just not what I'm comfortable with. And then I did it again yesterday and it ended up not working in my favor. So I feel like I really just got to be strict on myself, have a set plan, and do this challenge here. So my challenge is 30 days of being strict with my game plan, you know, being in my trading hours, not like giving myself leeway to trade outside of my hours, sticking to my strategy and my edge. So no chasing trades just to chase the trades. If my edge presents itself, I'm gonna take that trade. I'm gonna take that trade, and as long as it's like you know, it's a good reasonable trade, I'm gonna take that. I'm having good risk management. That's something that I've been doing really good with, even on like the losing trades. I've been having good risk management. I'm currently like up on my account still, even though I've took 2 losses, because I've had 2 wins that kind of like made up more of it. So that's pretty good. And then yeah, that's pretty much all I have to worry about. I'm not too big on like revenge trading. I've never had an issue with that. Or I have in the like very beginning, but like the past couple months I haven't really had issues with revenge trading, so I don't think I really need to add that in. But other than that, I mean, let's get to it. I mean, we're here on the charts. What time is it? Oh my god, fucking it's freaking way too early. It's 9:18. Okay, when market opens, I'm gonna pause this real quick. When market opens, I'm gonna come back and just stream. And I guess I can go over the confluences right now. So basically, right now I marked out Asian session highs, Asian session. Oh my gosh, Asian. Oh my gosh, dude. Asian session highs and Asian session lows. I mean, I typically just mark out the highs and lows of both sessions because I feel like these are like the stronger draws on liquidity there. And then we have this equal highs at the top here, something to look out for here. And then we have tons of draw on liquidity to the downside, tons of draws. We had news at 5:30, which was actually this right here. So we had unemployment claims. The actual was better, I mean, worse than the forecast, but better than the previous, which kind of means one thing, like unemployment claims are better than what we thought it was going to be. So that actually usually gives you a bearish return on the market. So coming into market open, I'm going to look to see these highs get took and hopefully come and dump and take out these. There's a lot of strong draws of liquidity on the downside on both NASDAQ and ES. There's more to the downside than there is to the up, but these equal highs are enticing. So I guess I'm just going to wait to see what the market does and kind of react off of that. But yeah, I mean, it looks good. I haven't seen anything on the 4 hour that's too crazy that I'm worried about. Um, Yeah, these aren't equal. They're relative, but they're not equal. Do, 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 do. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot down here. I don't think, yeah, definitely not going to go. I mean, you never know, but nothing that I'm too worried about. Equal high, equal lows right here. So even better confirmation to the downside here, like way better. Equal lows on the 4 hour. So yeah, awesome. This is looking like it could be a pretty solid day, to be honest. I'm gonna keep it a stack. Oh no, where was that supposed to be? I think that was I just accidentally dragged this shit. Think that's this guy, maybe, possibly. Yeah. All right. Perfect. Yeah, I know it looks a little crazy here, but trust that this right here. I guess we can kind of. Nah, I'll just leave it, but it's like good to know. So these are kind of the draws. I'm looking for a reversal right around here. Come down, get some liquidity. The good thing about my accounts is I really only need $1,000 each trade, which is good because like if I were to try to short all the way down here, that's like at least 3 bands. I don't need that, so that's good. You know, that's why most of the times when I do take trades, it plays out. But um, it's not about the trades that I take that are winning. It's about the trades that I've been taking that are losing and just don't follow anything. So that's why I'm doing this challenge here. I just want to make sure I stay strict and I'm posting these videos because honestly, I think it's fun. I like to post the videos. It makes me feel a little bit cool. But it also has like is a chance for people to keep me accountable. So if you see this video, please leave a comment saying you're watching me. So I'll know that there are people watching and I need to be accountable and make these videos. So I'm hoping to just post 30 days straight. Obviously the weekends are kind of something that I can't really do. I mean, let's see if we do it from today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That would be like end of February. So I'm just going to do 30 days straight from today. So by February 8th is going to be my last day, and hopefully we can get my first payout by then if I do everything correctly, and I have a really good feeling that I will. So, boom, I'm gonna just wait for market to open, and I will come back. All right, we're back. We're back. Market's opened here. Like I said, we're supposed to get a bearish reaction off of this. Hopefully, we can come out and take these highs first. That's what I'm looking to do, take these highs out first and then go and dump down. But of course, we'll have to see what price wants to do here. Oosh. Or maybe we don't get any movement. You never know. Like, once again, you can't predict the markets. You can only try to um, figure out how it's going to move. That's a pretty strong draw, though, right there. This guy right here is a pretty strong draw. We just got to see what it's going to do. Dang, first couple seconds here. And, you know, I've been doing like various back testing and man, when I tell you last night, like I went through like 5 trading days or like a whole week of trading in like obviously like a couple minutes. But I did a whole week of trading, didn't take a single damn trade. But then I came back the next day and or like the 6th day, I guess, and I hit a banger trade. So I feel like that's what it's gonna be like to be profitable is like it really is true, I guess. Like the best traders aren't trading every day. You just have to really wait for those really good setups so that you're making money and you're not losing money. But that's kind of the point I want to get to, or like that point in my trading journey where I want to be is like I only need to take a couple trades a month, you know? Like I don't need to take 3 or 4 trades a week. I'll be good off just 1 or 2 and just like really capitalize on those, like really strong draws on liquidity and good price action. I just really want to like dial in because realistically, like the top day traders, they're taking minimal trades because they have maximum money. So they only need to take one or two trades a week or like a month to have a lot of capital because they already ran their way up and they don't need to be placing a lot of trades a week because it's just like they have the money where they don't need to take as many trades as like people who don't have a lot of capital like me right now. So I want to build up my capital to where I'm doing $1 million trades, and it's not all about the money. But let's not be stupid here. Money is a very big part of trading. What are we trading for? I mean, obviously to predict the market, but also to make some money. I guess it's like what you want the money for is like the bigger thing. I genuinely, when I think about making the money, yes, I get the financial freedom. I get the freedom of time where I don't have to be at a 8-hour retail job. I um I just have more time to do the things I want to do. Yes, that is very true. But um it's not so much about like just having a lot of money. Like being able to buy nice things is cool. I want to be able to take care of everyone around me. I want to be able to take care of my family, take care of my friends, and also when I make my own family, like I get a wife, I get some kids, like I want to be able to take care of them. So I think setting up a good foundation, a good skill where it brings in income is good, especially one that you can kind of do on your own terms, where I don't have to trade today if I don't want to. Um, and I don't have to go and clock into an 8-hour shift to a boss that's telling me what to do. I really, really am sick of a 9 to 5 job, which is why I thought I would be good at trading, is because I'm a very patient guy. I'm a very disciplined guy, and I have a lot of self control. So look at that. Price is dumping down right here. Yes, not so much. But on Nasdaq, it is ripping down here. Yeah. So, like I said, I'm really looking for sweeps of this upside so we can then go and take out all this liquidity because there's a ton of LR down here, a ton of it. So it's like even these like equal lows right there. I hope price doesn't go and take it all out first. That would be unfortunate. I really do think we need to get this little grab of liquidity right here so then we can start turning it down and going taking everything. So, but it looks like it'll probably go and take out the lows here. Mm, but yeah, I mean, trading's boring, guys. I'll be honest. Trading is boring, but it gives you the power and the time to go and do the things that you find fun and entertaining. Let's see. Yeah, I was doing all like the trade recaps like after the trades, but I think having it going through the full trade that I have to upload is gonna be good because I mean, not only is it gonna keep me more accountable to make some good moves on camera and like actually lock in, but I guess it's just like I don't know. It keeps me like entertained. It feels like I have a friend while I'm trading because trading gets boring. Should low key text my friend. That's another thing. Like one of the trading rules is like don't, for me at least, is just don't do any social media with trading while I'm actually in the session because that was a big thing for me is like watching live traders that are trading the same markets as me, and it would really just like fuck me up in terms of bias and all that. So um yeah, that's a big thing. Like right now, TJR is live on Kick. I'm not gonna join that though. I don't want to join that. He's got like 12K people watching. It's insane. Everybody's watching there to copy trade and everything, but I don't want to do that. I want to build it on my own way. I don't want to take any signals from him. I want to be able to read the market on my own because all those people that are in there to copy trade, realistically, I'm be honest, what happens once he doesn't go live? You don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. It's like having someone move your legs as a kid to walk, and then once they leave, you don't know how to actually walk. You gotta let someone figure it out. Let the people figure it out on your own. Um, in this case, I need to let myself figure this out on my own, which I have been doing. I have honestly, like I've been just dialed in. Wow, this is insane, bro. Nasdaq is about to take out these lows. Nasdaq is about to take out these lows. Crazy. Crazy. Bro, that's insane. Unless we get a big straight candle to the upside, that would be nuts, but that would be sick. That'd be like perfect. Then we can go take out all this. Yeah, on Nasdaq, it's just way more apparent the draws to the downside rather than on ES. Because ES has kind of already took most of this stuff, I'll be honest. Like, there's some good draws here. Like, yeah, all this low resistance. Honestly, not too bad. Once we get down to this, it's kind of be hard for it to not go and take all that. But yeah, right now, doesn't look like ES wants to do it, but Nasdaq definitely looks like it wants to go down there. I can say that she born. This shit really is mad boring though, but that's what you gotta do. What you gotta do when you wanna win. Oh my god. Nasdaq, Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. What do you know? What do you know? I can tell that she fine. Fine. Jeez, I don't know if it's just gonna dump and dump and dump until ES catches on, but geez, ES is not even moving right here. where Nasdaq is just absolutely dumping down. It's a little bit scary because it probably creates an SMT. Not probably. I mean, it is an SMT right now, which is not fun. Not fun here. Oh wait, let me see. Oh, my bad, my bad. Yeah, maybe Price just wants to go hit those equal highs, man. Maybe Price just wants to come out here, take out these draws. Yeah, I just took out this. That's the next biggest draw on liquidity there. Dude, dude. Yeah, all ES, because ES already really took all those out. ES can kind of just sweep this low here. And then I guess we can go for longs off of that. Because then, we have these equal highs up here. Make sure I'm not tripping. Or let me see. It's equal highs on NASDAQ as well. Not the same. I mean, yeah. But hey, we might need to just keep an eye on NASDAQ, to be honest. Those equal highs are very enticing. Yeah, it's low-key about to take out this draw on liquidity there. Let's see. Can't even see it. I'm blocking it. But yeah, these little draws on liquidity right here. Price is about to take that. We already took this. I can tell that she bond. Woo, woo. 15 minutes into market open here. That candle, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that candle, man. Just took out these equal lows on the 15 minutes. Dude. Dude. ES hasn't even took out Asian session lows. Dude. 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 NASDAQ ripping through everything. I mean, this is honestly, we did get a bearish, like it was going to be bearish from the news, but I didn't think it was going to go like this. We're just going to have to see what ES does. If ES wants to come and take these out, then I'm all for going longs. But ES, if we can't do anything, it's going to be very hard to want to take anything if ES doesn't follow along here. Can tell that she found. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-bona. Ba-da-bona. Mm. All right, let's see, man. Let us see. Let us see. Maybe too close. That's probably perfect then. Okay. Maybe ES just wanted to take out these lows. I mean, I'm good with longing on NASDAQ, to be honest. Let's hit all the draws I want to see. All right. Yeah, let's see what I want to do. What it do, boo? Mm, mm. Low key, this is why I kind of stopped making the longer videos. It's just because like it's so boring to watch, bro. Like it's so boring. There's no way people watch this. There's no way people watch this. I don't even know if I like making them, but it's like I'm thinking about the viewer and I'm like, man, this is boring. I would not stay on this, but it's like, oh my lord. Yes, making its moves though. ES would be the one to go off of sole purpose just because there's the SMT that's more confluence. But I would have to, it'd definitely take out this high before NASDAQ does anything even close to that. But I'd rather take it on NASDAQ because we've actually had a sweep of way more. But look at that though. This little wick right here, that's like something I'm keeping note of right there. It's like that little wick. That little wick though. That little wick though. Let's see. Nothing to just make sure that wick over there isn't really making equal highs with anything, right? Or equal lows. That's kind of the one thing that I do need to lock in on. Like when it gets like this and I'm just waiting for it, I stop like checking for things. I need to make sure I'm locked in and know everything. Yeah, there's nothing. I mean, that's close, very close, but not equal lows there. What is ES looking like? Is there anything that's been made on ES? Not really, not hourly. No shot, it gets all the way down there. Yeah, nothing really, to be honest, that I need to be worried about. Indecisive candles, man. Man, I need to wake up and shit, bruh. You know how to wake up, though. I'm gonna show you right now. While you give it up, I always kind of suck at this too, but we're gonna see if I could do this real quick. Fuck. I think I got it in the eye. I might not have got it in the eye, bro. Not, I don't know. This eye is my worst though. I don't know. Bro, like I don't know if I got it in my eye. I definitely think I got it in this one actually this time, but I don't think I got it in this eye. Okay. Okay. I think I for sure hit it that time. That's low key like I don't know why that really wakes me up. And I did just honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I did just buy these things. Let's see. I did just buy these I did just buy these what's it called? These like little pouches. It's like Zins, but it's not nicotine or anything. It's like caffeine. Not caffeine actually. It has no caffeine in it, but it's let me really list the ingredients to give you guys like a better understanding because apparently it's like actually pretty healthy, but it's like locked in meta. So let's see. It has okay, so it claims instant focus, crash-free energy, mental clarity, clean ingredients, and zero nicotine. So it has paraxanthin, paraxanthine for intense focus. I don't know what that is. L-theanine, I've heard of that in like energy drinks, pre-workout. That one's supposed to give you calm energy. The mental clarity comes from Panax ginseng. It gives you vitamin B12, it gives you vitamin B6, and it gives you alpha GPC, intense focus. So I guess it's like a science-backed little pouch you can put up there. I think it should be lit. Like I think I got 3 cans because they didn't let me buy like a single, or at least I didn't like do enough research. But I just bought 3 cans of that shit. And we gonna see if it's like if it's really dialing you, you know, like if I get really dialed in on that, we're gonna have to see. But yeah, man. Yeah, man. We just gotta see. It's just dumping here. It's just dumping. Um Hopefully this is like ES wanting to go and take out liquidity here, and then we just make some big runs up here. That would be stellar. But right now it's chopping on ES, which is not what I want to see. Definitely do not want to see any chop if I'm looking to take a trade. Okay, so Nasdaq came and took out these little johns right here. Man, I don't really see. There's no way it goes out and takes these. They're not big enough draws on liquidity for me to like think Nasdaq or like ES wants to take those out. Bro, I would say if anything, I would have thought they would have took this out. Hasn't even took this guy. This is a pretty big draw for ES to go take right now too. Kind of annoying that Nasdaq is doing a lot of work here and ES is doing jack shit. Kind of is annoying, but hey, we don't get a play today. It's not the end of the world. Just have another day of opportunity tomorrow, you know? I think I know. Dang, dang. I test that 5 for you. I do that 3, 4 times again. Hmm. Yes, please just go and take out the lows so we can do something. All right. This is good though. This challenge right here, this little 68 challenge. I mean, not 60 days. I'm hoping this just builds habits to where it doesn't become a challenge. It just becomes the common, um, the normal way of how I trade, you know? Like, I don't want this to be a challenge to be profitable, but maybe sometimes you just got to do some things and put some action to something um, that you want. And, you know, maybe you have to put it all on blast. So if you fail, at least I don't even know. If I fail, at least I showed that I put it all in and I don't want to leave with any regrets here on the table. But yeah, this is really shit right here. This right here, absolute dog shit. This is not too bad. Like, this we could work with, you know. Oof. Just keeps like making those bigger wicks though. That's like the only thing. It's like those those big ass wicks, bro. Those get me because I'm like now price definitely wants to go next to that. It's like the closest thing to price. Where price is at right now. It's like the closest thing and it's a big wick. There's like a lot of unfilled orders there. Something's gotta give, man. Something's gotta give. We'll see if it breaks structure on ES. Maybe they want to go take out the equal highs here. The equal highs. Maybe they want to go do that. Hell if I know. I don't know what Price wants to do right now. But honestly, I'm not mad. Like, yes, I want to trade, bro. That's the whole reason I'm unprofitable is because I want to press buy. I want to press sell. I gotta chill though. I gotta chill though. I gotta chill. I gotta chill. I gotta chill. I gotta chill. I mean, if you're watching this, please leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Say what's up. I'll even keep you accountable on your stuff too. I'll reply to them in the morning. Just say something. Let me know somebody's watching this. Leave a like or something. Even made it this far. Doubt it. Anybody made it this far because this shit is just so boring. But you never know. Boo doo 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 doo. Okay. Hmm. Let's see how this candle closes. 23 minutes. I mean seconds. 20 seconds here. Oof. Break of structure to the upside here on NASDAQ. NASDAQ smoking on that gas pack. All right, guys, let's kind of see what we can do here. It's looking pretty good right now. So we could say this swept previous session. This actually swept a couple lows here. It's just this wick is a little bit scary, you know? Big wicks like that. It's not my favorite, but a strong bullish candle right after isn't too bad to see. Especially after all the liquidity it's already grabbed, you know? So if it can create some bearish confluence here, fair value gap would do. Let's see. I think that's 79% extension here. Wait one second. Let me see. I mean, but I think that was good, no? Hmm. My fault, OG. My fault, OG. Seventy 79 over here. My fault, OG. We're making some moves, though. Kind of completes the SMT, though, if we do. So hard. But it's like we see the I mean, I like that. That's a weak bearish candle, creating a fair value gap. That looks pretty good to me. Let's see. It's about to go into equilibrium as well. So let's kind of see what happens here. We might be ready to just get it going. This might be chilling, bro. Hopefully we could see a retracement down into this fair value gap. That would be absolutely perfect if we can get a retracement and then a rejection out of there, or respecting the fair value gap. That would be perfect. But we'll see. We'll see. Gotta lock in here. Gotta lock in. Nothing I'm seeing on here. That's a little bit questionable. Nothing, nothing. Already came out like this. We need to go a little bit higher. Why you do that? I can't explain it, but just know you working for me. Oh, that is not the shot, Valentine. So this is just fully out, like fully just done for, huh? I don't know. Like, I should go in on this, but yeah, we could actually go off that. Not bad. Oh, look at that dump. Look at that dump there. This is what I'm kind of liking to see, though. If this can retrace into this again, that'll kind of be golden, to be honest. I'd rather see it retest this one more time after that big candle right there. Holy shit, bro. All right, I may need to lock in here, bro. I'm just making it even worse for myself, bro. Please don't take off here. Dude, I think I just need to be patient here. I need to let it come down. These two fair value gaps need to get tested again. I need to see that. This is my strategy. I could enter off this if I really wanted to right now. But this little chop right here, I need to see a retest here. I think we just wait here. It's a weak bearish candle. Let's see here. I want to see it come down though. I just don't want to put like a stop loss here. It's very unprotected, you know. I want it to come down here so I can place a stop either under this or under this. Something that's protected, you know? There you go. Oh, let's keep making those little, keep going down. Keep down here. Look at that. Yes. I want to see it on that. But I actually like it on ES a little bit more here. But look at these wicks, man. Gotta calm down there. See this big draw here. As soon as we kind of get into that middle of this, honestly not bad range. Equal highs up here. Still have like good draws. Equal highs. Previous sessions highs here. Always got to make sure the accounts are locked in, you know? Had a problem with that not too long ago. Trust me. Trust me. So they're really trying to get this sell off. There we go. Yeah, this looks really good though. Oh man. We can get this fair value gap right here. That'll be perfect. I'll just go off of that. Have a protected stop. Nah, you need to climb up. Keep climbing. We're in the 50%. Oh, wait, no. This is the 50% of that fair value gap. I think once we get in that middle of that fair value gap, we'll be golden. How you do that? I can't explain it, but you hey, look at that chop. You think I want to trade that chop? No, I don't want to trade that chop. Oh, I think I'm not gonna trade today, guys. I think I'm not gonna trade today. It was looking really good. Honestly, we're in this fair value gap. Could it just shoots up? Hey, I have to follow my rules. I have to follow my rules. I would have traded this right here though if I followed my rules. If I went exactly off the confluence, I would have did that. It's like once you put the little chart up, now the price wants to dump on a no. Oh, oh, don't do it to him. Oh my God. No. Ooh, inversed. Inversed. Oh my days. That's huge. That's huge. That's kind of like, you know, kind of glad I didn't trade now because this thing was holding, 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 and then boom, inversed right at 7:30 or 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. Boom. That's I don't fuck with a chop. I don't fuck with the chop, man. I gotta get off these charts, bro. Nothing good in the hood here, guys. All right, well, that is pretty lit there. I'll tell you that. That's pretty lit. Um, First day of the challenge in the books. We stayed strong today. I'm gonna come back. What tomorrow? Tomorrow, Friday. I'm pretty sure we have news tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. I can actually just check right here on Forex. Boom. Yeah, big day tomorrow. So, we're gonna see how that looks. But other than that, gang, I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day, and let's be profitable this year, guys. Let's fucking go.